Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. Once again, for our Japanese week, I have a Kaikan Fizz, or what the soldiers used to call it was a milk fizz. It was a way for them to order a morning drink that looked like milk, so it wasn't as suspicious. Good on the soldiers for being creative. Now, how it tastes, don't know yet, because I'm just, trying this on the fly. So, first things first, we want to use some gin. And I am using some Roku gin, that is a Japanese gin. And we want to go 1.5 ounces. I love this gin too. It's so floral and tasty. But anywho, so next, this is like I said, it's a milk fizz. We want to just take 1 ounce of milk. Next, we want to go 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Lastly, we want to get our bar spoon out, and we want to do just a bar spoon of sugar. Give this a good little stir. Get this. You can put this in a shaker cup if you would like. All right, I'm gonna add some ice. I think my sugar is good and dissolved. Just add a little bit of ice. Give it another good stir. Now we're gonna get our strainer and a Collins glass full of ice. Lastly, we're gonna top it off with a little club soda. And that's our fizz, right? So I'm just gonna give this just a little mixing. All right, there we have it, a Kaikan Fizz that comes from the Kaikan Banquet Hall in Tokyo. Which exactly base it is, or location that is, I have no idea, but it's in Tokyo. Anywho, cheers. Maybe it's the lemon and the milk, which is weird in the first place. Let's get this out the way now. This whole drink concoction is weird, but it tastes pretty good. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, buy some lactose-free milk. But I believe everyone should try this, because it doesn't seem right, but it tastes so good. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.